Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's Vida FX here and we are back and better. We have so much content coming your way, okay? And the whole goal of this channel is to take beginner traders with zero knowledge of the forex market from beginner to a professional that can speculate correctly in the market and that can go into the market knowledgeable enough to make money out of the market. So please stay tuned, stay with us, and we have so much more coming your way, and I promise you that you are not wasting your time. So without further ado, let us get right into the video. Like you saw on the thumbnail, this is a class for beginners with zero knowledge. So we're going to go into the very foundation. This is what you will be learning. So you'll be learning what forex trading is, who trades the market, who are the biggest players in the market, what is traded in the forex market, and the advantages of the forex market over the other markets. Now, when I say the other markets, we have the stock market, we have the crypto market, we have indices, we have so many markets. Okay, so we have the oil market. So this is the forex market, and I'm going to tell you why it is advisable to trade the forex market over the other markets. Okay, so without further ado, let us get right into the video. So now the first question on your mind would definitely be, what exactly is forex trading? I mean, we hear the word, it sounds really big, so I'm just going to go ahead and explain what forex trading is. Forex is simply short for foreign exchange. It's like going on a vacation, and where you are at the counter, let's say you're traveling from the UK to Canada, you will change your pound at the airport to the Canadian dollar. That is just what foreign exchange is. So it's the exchange of one currency for another. So it's like exchanging your dollar. Let's say you're in Japan and you're exchanging it for the Japanese yen. So that is simply what forex trading is. So we may have traded the forex market without even knowing it. So the forex market trades over $7 trillion in capital every single day. That's bigger than the stock market, because the New York Stock Exchange is the biggest stock market in the world, but it's nothing compared to the forex market. It's bigger than the crypto market, it's bigger than everything. So this is where banks, governments, and smart traders move money. Okay, so that is simply what forex trading is, and I hope you understand. So now we're going to talk about who trades the market. Okay, we have the central banks, we have the commercial banks, we have hedge funds, and we have you and me. We are the retail traders, and I tell everybody that anybody with an internet and a smartphone can trade the forex market. So it's not some holy grail. You don't have to have a specific kind of qualification to trade the forex market. So anybody can trade the forex market. So the next thing we're going to talk about is, who are the big players in the market. Who are the big players? The big players, I call them the big boys. They are the smart money, okay? While as we keep learning, you're going to understand why it is important for you to know who the big players are in the market. We have the banks. I'm talking about the central banks of countries. We have forex brokers. We have hedge funds. We have commercial companies, and we have retail traders. So you and I, as individual traders that are speculating in the market, this is where we fall under. We fall under retail trading, okay? So we have forex brokers because we need a broker to trade with. So they are like the middlemen. Okay, so we have big central banks. Every country has a central bank, so they also participate in the forex market. So these are the big players in the market. The reason why retail traders made this list is because when you accumulate the orders of all the retail traders, it could also move the market. Yeah, the next one we're going to talk about is what is traded in the forex market. Now, we've heard about what the forex market is. So what exactly is traded in the forex market? Now, I said here that in the foreign exchange market, what is traded is currencies. Okay, I'm talking about currencies of real countries currency. So unlike the stock market where you trade company shares, in forex you trade the value of one country's currency against another. So when you buy euro, or like let's say you buy the euro against the USD, You're buying the euro and selling the dollar at the same time. So it simply means that in Forex, since it's foreign exchange, something has to be exchanged to get something. So you have to sell something to buy something. Just like the example I gave about a vacation, if you're going to exchange your money, you need to give them something for them to give you another currency. So that is what is traded in the market, currencies. So you're trading dollar against pound, you're trading euro against dollar, and vice versa. So that is what is traded in the market. So next, we're going to talk about the advantages of the forex market over other markets. Now, I did say from the beginning of the video that over $7 to $8 trillion is traded in the forex market on a daily basis. Now, the forex market is the largest financial market in the world, and then it also is open 24 hours 5 days a week. It's open from Monday to Friday. Okay, so you have 24 hours, so even if you cannot trade during the day, you can also trade at night. Unlike the stock market that closes by 2 to 4 p.m., the forex market is open 24-hour 5 days a week. There's high liquidity in the market. With the amount of money and volume of money that pumps into the market, there is always somebody that will buy or sell your order whenever you place an order. So liquidity simply means money. So there's high volume of activities in the market. So it's not a dry market. It is always active, it's always moving, and so on and so forth. Then it has low capital requirement. Now, depending on the broker you're using, with as low as $10, you can trade the forex market. So I hope you learned something. See you in the next video.